As I asked you earlier in the day, both gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq, all of this trading with a drop there, and I hope you all profited since the last video. I think there is a considerable move we have seen in these three instruments. Now what is going to happen with the US cash session? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in last we'll see Dow Jones. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels to trade for. Let's start the day with gold first. As I said earlier in the day that one can only go long once it trades above 1838. See how beautifully it is. It has got the resistance at 1838, and since then it is trading with a drop there. Now look at this. It is the expanding triangle in which it is trying to trade. Also look at this. The last three candle higher lows are done. So probably we may see it going about 1836 once again, and yes, these are the levels I will be looking forward to. In fact, it can try to hit 1838, and if you see it at 1838, probably you can go short at this point, but you have to be cautious there. If it breaks this, definitely we may see a stronger move on the upside. So a possibility exists that it is going till towards 1836, 1838 levels right now, as it is seen the lows there. So I'll be recommending there that yes, you can take a long entry with a stop loss at around 1828. The directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge the stochastic trading near bottom. The MACD has just crossed over here on the hourly charts, and hence we can expect couple of green candles, possibly RSI near to bottom. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see previous candles lower lows have been done. It is trying to reverse from here. I will be looking forward for this candle to break past this and at least try to come back till towards 36-37 levels, if not more. And if it breaks this, yes, you can expect a good sharp green candle which may try to take it towards on the upside. So yes, with the stop loss at 1828, one can remain long on gold for 1836-1838 levels, and beyond that, yes, you can expect a stronger rise as it is trying to consolidate here a bit. See, this is the expanding triangle in which it is trading, and probably a breakout here or on the upside or downside is awaited. So I'll be watchful of this. Any breakdown below 1828 will directly take it till towards 1820 levels. The directional movement is bearish here too. The stochastic is near to bottom. The MACD is trying to converge. Right now it is trading with a bearish bias, and the RSI too near the bottom there. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, now look at the 3-hour charts. Previous candles, see these candles, 1838 the resistance, then 1837. Also look at this, how beautifully lower lows are done there. Now it is opened at 1832-33 zone. So yes, if one can go long at 1833 levels, and then one can expect that it may try to go back till towards 1837-38 zone. At the same time, on the downside, 1828 is definitely going to provide a stronger support as it is trying to trade in this expanding triangle. So we can see wider moves, and on either sides, both ways it is possible, but I'll be looking forward for it to break 1832-33 zone and rise upwards. That is my expectation. However, these are markets. Right now it is trying to look in this direction, so possibly breaking 1828, we can see a good drop also. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is near to bottom. It is looking upwards from here. That is one point why I am expecting it to rise. The MACD is parallel, running parallel. It may try to converge from here. That is the next point which I am looking forward for it to give a bullish move. The RSI also hitting near to the bottom there. Now coming back to the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, the story is different on the 4-hour chart. See how beautifully it is trying to give you lower highs with every candle, and with this it is trying to drop. Also look at the lows there. So yes, let me create a channel out of it. So this is a channel in which it is trading. The lows there at around 1828-27 levels, and the highs there at around 1835 levels and 1836. Any breakout beyond 1838 is a level beyond which one can definitely remain long. Until it is trading above 1827, I will expect it to trade in this zone itself, 1827, 1835, 36. So yes, if you see it at 1827, we can try to initiate a long entry there and expect it to go back till towards 1835, 36, and in fact 1838 can be broken today. Now directional movement is bearish here. It is wide divergent bearish. The stochastic is oversold, hence a little rise can be expected. The MACD is wide divergent, may try to converge from here, indicating that yes, you can expect little bullishness from here. The RSI is oversold. This is another point. So most of the indicators are now oversold, and hence one can expect. But look at this, the daily charts are not supportive of same. What are the daily charts are indicating? Daily charts are having a different story of their own. If you look at this, it is tried to come out of this channel in which it is trading. It has broken the 1840 support, and now it is trading below these levels. Now if you recall, I told very clearly below 1840, 1836 and 1830, these two levels, if it breaks past this, one can expect it to come back till towards 1820 levels. Also look at the previous candle. Previous candle is almost here at 1855 to 1838 levels, almost $17 of move, and from here 1838, if you even count half the size from here, so at least it will try to come back till towards 1827, 7-8 levels, and below that also it may try to go back till towards 1824-20 levels. So this is one possibility which is refraining me from, because the candle is red and only long entry is above 1838. Beyond that it will try to trade in gain. That should be considered a reversal. Now look at this on the daily charts also. If you connect the dots from here, almost trading in this channel, and that is also making me aware of the probability that there is a probability that 1828 can give a strong support for gold today, and it can try to survive over these levels. Now directional movement on the daily charts is bearish. It is trying to diverge, hence a red candle is must. The stochastic is almost trading near to the bottom there. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, couple of red candles more and it will cross over for a sell there. The RSI is again looking downwards here. Considering this, I'll recommend you to go short at 1827. Below 1827 it will drop sharply till towards 1824, 1820 levels can be seen. So below 1827 I'll be looking forward for it to come back to this zone, that is 1820 and 1815 levels. These levels should provide a very strong support if it trades below 1827. If not today, by tomorrow maybe we may see it coming back to these levels. Till the time it trades above 1828, I will expect it to bounce back a little on the upside, and it has to break 1833. So yes, I'll recommend you to go long at 1833, but only it will give you $3 of move, that is 1836 the first target and 1838 the second target. I think it will sustain below 1838, and if it does break past 1838, one can expect that it is going to break past 1845 levels also. So yes, go long at 1833 levels and go short at 1827. These are the levels if you trade pass by. On the upside beyond 1836 there is a resistance, 1832 there is a resistance at 1836, then 1838, two levels. If it breaks, then only I will consider this as a strongly bullish move. Then 1845 is the next target, and beyond that sky is the limit. On the downside, if it breaks 1827, my direct next target is 1820 levels and 1815-16 zone, which should provide a very strong support. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts is getting the support. Higher lows we have seen on the hourly candle, and it is trying to break out. Yes, there is a definite resistance here at 12,680 levels, so it may try to refrain, it may try to shy of these levels. Once it breaks past this zone at 12,680, there could be a definite upward move, which will be a strong breakout, which might try to take it till towards 12,750 to 760 zone first resistance, and then till towards 12,800 levels. So be cautious of that. It is trying to come out of this zone, it is trying to come out of this levels, so I'll be cautious and I'll be expecting it to rise from there. Now look at the directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is again looking upwards, trying to enter into a bullish phase. The MACD is crossing over for a bullish move. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts here, on the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see, there is a support there on the downside, and see this candle, it is trying to break out. Now the levels at 12,700 definitely should be after 12,680, 12,700 is the level which I will be watchful of. If it breaks past 12,700, there is a definite rise which will try to take it towards 12,760, 12,800, and then beyond that we may see a sharper rise too on the upside. Look at the directional movement, it is bearish, it is trying to converge, and if you look at the stochastic, this was oversold, now looking upwards in a bullish move. And similarly, the MACD is trying to converge and crossover. RSI is also looking upwards on the 2-hour chart, indicating stronger bullishness there. Now coming back to the 3-hour charts, look at the 3-hour chart. See, this is the channel in which it is trading. And here the resistance at 12700, breaking past 12700. I will recommend you to go long there, then 12760, 12800, and that should be considered a reversal. It is going to rise strongly on the upside. Also look at this, higher lows is what it is trying to give, and see if it breaks past this 12700 or if it breaks past this zone at 12600. In this 100 points, do not trade. Either ways, any breakout above or below, very good level to go long or short. If it breaks below 12600, it can try to come back again till towards 12500. If it breaks 12700, we may see it going till towards 760 and 12800 levels. See, the directional movement is trying to converge. It is bearish right now, and the stochastic is also looking downwards. I'll be cautious there. The MACD is trying to converge here. That is the one point I'll be looking forward to. If it tries to converge and crosses over, we may see bullish move again in Nasdaq 100. The RSI 2 is looking upwards. Similarly on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. On the 4-hour charts, higher lows have been seen. See, it is trading in this channel. Now also look at this. It is trying to come out of these, see, 3 red candles and now a greener candle. So probably from here we may see greener candles only, and it can continue to rise from here. So I will be looking forward to a rise. One can remain long on Nasdaq 100 above 12700, 12720 zone. Beyond that, definitely we will be looking at 12760 and 12800 levels. So one can take the positions accordingly. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic is trading flat. The MACD is trying to converge from here, and the RSI looking upward. Now coming to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, if you look at, see, on the daily charts, previous 2 candles, lower highs are done there and low and lows are done. This is trying to trade in this expanding triangle. So today, if it breaks past here at 12800, yes, you should consider this as reversal. You should consider that as a move which will try to bring US30, US100 till towards 13,000 levels. So any breakout beyond 12800 should be considered a reversal, and one can remain long for the rest of the week, and it will break 13,000 plus levels. So this is what we can see. At the same time, one must not forget that if it breaks below 12600, I will be looking forward to a bearish move again. So in between 12600, 700, do not trade. Above 12700, go long. Beyond 12700, the target is till towards 12760, 12800 levels. Beyond 12800, definitely one can remain long, and one can expect that it is going to give you a stronger bullish move for the rest of the week. The directional move is bearish. The stochastic is over, but that is one concern on the daily charts, that it can try to drop. That is one point which I am looking forward to. The MACD is green. It is bullish. It is trying to converge here. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, I will not, as I told you already, do not trade between 12600 and 12700. Above 12700, go long for 12760, 12800. Beyond 12800, it is going to sky high levels. On the downside, if it breaks 12600, it will directly try to drop till towards 12550 levels, and below 12550 we may see it dropping till 12500 and 12400 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. Now look at US30 on the hourly charts. Strong support at 33050. With this as support, it is trying to rise. See, it is trying to create higher base. At the same time, one must not forget that it is trying to give you lower highs. So any breakout beyond 33200 should be considered a breakout, and then one can expect 33250, which is going to give very strong resistance for US30 on the upside. If it breaks past 33250, then sky is the limit on the upside. See, higher lows are it is giving, and it is trying to create base on the upside. So probably it may try to remain on the buy side. Beyond 33250, it is going to give you a stronger rise. Now look at the directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is also trading flat without any movement there. The RSI is also trading flat. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at it, is trying to reverse the trend. Previous 3 candles were red candles, and now this is trying to break out the trend here with the support at 33050. It is trying to rise. I think it may try to break 33,200 first and then try to head till towards this zone at 33,250, 300, and in fact it can try to break past 33,400 also. See why I am saying so? Higher lows are getting created, but there is a resistance here at 33,200 and 250 which it needs to pass by for any bullish move. I'll be watchful of that. The direction movement is bearish. The stochastic is near to bottom. The MACD is trying to converge and crossover. The RSI is also looking upwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts the story is more or less same here. 3 red candles, and this is the reversal. 33,050 is the support. Higher lows are getting created. Now it is probably trying to look forward to higher highs and may form a double top here at 33,400. So there is a possibility that it can try to go till towards 33,400 and then decide the direction, which direction it needs to take. Definitely there is a support at 33,050, breaking which I will be expecting it to drop till towards 32,900 and below levels. The directional movement is trading flat without any direction there. The stochastic is looking downwards and the MACD is trying to converge. The RSI is also looking upwards. So more or less the indications are that we may see a little rise before we look forward to any drop. Now look at the 4-hour chart. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, see 33,050 to 33,200. Yes, it is trying to trade sideways in this box. Any breakout will try to take it till towards 33,250. Now this box is also something I will be watchful of, 33,000 to 33,250, and then beyond that it is going to rise strongly. We may see it going again till towards 33,400 levels today before it looks forward to any drop. Directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is near to top. Probably we have to be cautious, and the MACD is trading in a bearish zone, trying to trade parallel. RSI is looking upwards. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, observing the daily charts closely, it is giving lower highs there at around 33,250. I'll be watchful of 33,250 specifically. If it breaks, we can see a good sharp move on the upside. At the same time, yes, 33,050, below that we can expect a good drop there. So yes, one can go short below 33,050. One can expect it to continue with the downward move, and one can go long at 33,250 levels. In between these 33,050 to 33,250, do not trade for these 200 points. Let it swing any which ways. And yes, beyond 33,250, one can consider that as a reversal, and it is going to give you sharp green candle beyond those levels. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. That is making me only worried that it can try to drop. And the MACD is trading parallel. It is trading bullish. RSI is trading flat. So as we have seen from the charts, go long above 33,250, go short below 33,050. In between these 200 points, do not trade. Above 33,250, yes, you can expect a sharper rise till towards 33,300 and then 33,400 levels. And it can try to form a double top till towards 33,450, 500 zone. On the downside, breaking 33,050, you can go short and you can expect it to drop consistently till towards 32,900 and below levels. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.